This short help video is targeted at the topic Crdc report data. Weka Pro has got a lot of reports and information in it to help you with the Crdc report. There is no built-in exportable report for that particular document. The data that's available needs management, and you do that management from the course catalog edit screen. Important that you come in and mark the classes in the school year that you want to report on. Mark the classes that you want to include in the OCR report. Once you've done that, click on each class, come over to the Civil Rights data screen, make sure you set the school year up here to the same school year that you're reporting on. Now you'll notice no numbers down here right now, but you do see numbers or names of students who took that class in that year. To prepare this data, once you've selected the school year and the class, and you have students, click the Synchronize button. And then answer the question, do you want to include these students in the Civil Rights data collection? Yes. Now you will see highlighted fields where that calculation has been completed. Now the report that you can get is a detailed report for this class. That looks like that. And that's ridiculous, I know. But that has all the disaggregated data that you need to fill in the various fields in the OCR report. So over here, you have a calculation of the number of SPED students who took this class. And of those SPED students, how many were females and how many were males. On the other end, you have the total by grade. And then you have subtotals for these various categories. Then on each line here, you have, this is a student who is a white student, and you have the information that matches up with those fields on the OCR report. If you want an enrollment report for the civil rights data for that year, you click this button, and then you have the opportunity to say just include LEP students, for instance, or I'm going to say no here to LEP 504 SPED, and select the year for which you want to print gender ethnicity report for CRDC data. So I'll go 2021. You can print a detailed report that shows all the students, or the summary report, which is what you're probably looking for. This now breaks down all of the students that took those classes by Hispanic, non-Hispanic, and then over here it breaks it down even further based on their race, which are all numbers that you will need. Most important thing to remember is that you have to select the fact that you want to include them in the OCR report. Then you have to select the class and synchronize the records. And once you've done that, you pull these reports. When I do this, I print the reports. It's a laborious thing to do. And use those reports to fill in the fields as I go along. And keep in mind, there's a bunch of other stuff you have to put in that report also.